Are you familiar with the saying, there's a tool for every job? Well, a single visit to the Home Depot can be enough to know the significance of that saying. Even if you narrow it to only construction, the number of tools used in this aspect can be quite surprising. And because of the advancement of technology, more and more new and amazing construction tools are being introduced. Having the advanced tool can heavily influence the quality and time of the product. Here are some incredible construction tools that you should know about. Hosbot's HB1. UK's robotic startup Hosbots have rolled out on an innovative wall-climbing robot HB1 that can climb vertical surfaces. It was designed with this fact in mind, as it climbs walls and even scuttles across ceilings so people don't have to. The robot itself has 4 rubber tire-clad wheels and is connected to a ground-based remote control unit via 110-volt electric tether. It can be equipped with up to 13.2 pounds of attachments, which allow it to perform tasks such as spray painting walls or performing both visual and ultrasonic inspections of structures by mounting the proper equipment. Want to give it a try? Well, register your interest directly from the company's website. Roblox X Drill. When all other things are getting digital, why shouldn't a drill be digital too? It's described as the first ever smart drill. Reimagining the common drill, Roblox packed a ton of tech into the X Drill. It's got a touchscreen, Bluetooth controls, apparently Wi-Fi, and there's an app that accommodates it. It also uses laser technology to measure the distance of your rooms and spaces accurately. This smart cordless drill is a touch display for seamless control of the device. With digital leveling and intelligent speed control, you're sure of getting a perfect drill every time. Prexiso Tile Square Laser. Having a hard time laying those tiles perfectly? Well, fear not, because Prexiso is here to save the day. This tile square laser uses vials for easy horizontal and vertical alignment. No matter where you are laying your tiles, the laser square will ensure spot-on tile placement. The laser square is designed to provide your work area with precision, and the green-colored beam is brighter and easier to see. The line coverage has a 10-meter or 32-foot projection range and gives the user the ability to line up an entire room from one setup point. It features an all-day battery life of up to 10 hours off 2 AA alkaline batteries. Edma Black Mega Board Lifter. Make your drywall work easier and more efficient with this tool. It's designed to lift plasterboard in every position. Horizontal, which can be used to install ceilings. Then you can use it at any angle to install those raked ceilings. And lastly, the vertical option chosen while the wall installation. It has an innovative braking system with 2 handles to lower the panel quickly under control. The automatic operation for lifting thanks to power drill assistance and rack and pinion system will lift plasterboard with less effort. It can bear loads up to 175 pounds and can reach up to 15 feet. QuickPro. What have I told you? There's a power tool that can help you in 8 ways. QuickPro is on a mission to show how all kinds of things can be powered and repowered with just a few interchangeable QuickPro motor power handles. Saves user time and money. QuickPro system operates on an 18-volt battery platform that slides onto the bottom of a pistol grip handle. You have the option of sliding any number of attachments onto the top of the handle. The head's attached to the handle via the startup brand's slide drive technology. Using the same powered handle for any variety of head attachments, the space you save becomes huge. Zonzini Skipper. Carrying heavy construction materials on the higher floors can be a bit of a hassle. Well, Zonzini will change that scene with Skipper. This electric stair-climbing hand truck is ideal for transporting tall loads such as windows, doors, and high furniture up and down stairs. It's an electric stair climber with tracks suitable for all types of stairs and floor surfaces. It is equipped with Zonzini's non-slipping and abrasion-resistant high-grip tracks, which provides great stability on any surface. With Skipper, a single person can safely transport heavy objects weighing up to 400 kilograms without physical effort. So which tool do you find the most amazing? For me, it's QuickPro. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you another time in another video. Stay in the loop.